This week marks 12 months since I was appointed Minister of State with responsibility for mental health and older people. In relation to older people, I secured the largest ever investment in home care support, with 24 million hours being provided this year to support people to age well at home. The delivery of enhanced dementia supports is a key priority for me, and securing €12.9 million for dementia-specific services. This will fund 250,000 home support hours and 11 more dementia advisors. The situation in nursing homes due to COVID has stabilised following the successful rollout of the vaccine programme across the sector and the continuation of a broad range of supports from government. 101 day centres for older people will reopen by the week of the 5th of July, with more centres reopening in the following weeks. Legislation to update the Fair Deal scheme to enhance protection for family farms and businesses is progressing quickly. Ensuring that mental health receives substantial investment in 2021 with the largest budget on record of over €1.1 billion was one of my first goals. I reinstated funding for the clinical programme on eating disorders, which will establish 3 new eating disorder teams and complete the 3 existing teams this year. In July, a new state-of-the-art forensic mental health service will open in Portrane. Draft legislation to update the Mental Health Act in full will be brought to Government next month for approval. Late last year, a committee to drive and oversee the full implementation of Sharing the Vision, our national mental health policy, was established and work is progressing. These developments are a first step, and I will continue to work to improve mental health and older people's services in Ireland. Gurv Mahagud.